Hi. It has been a long, hot minute since we've done this, but I'm excited. We are sitting in a 2022 X3M in Toronto Red Metallic on this beautiful gray interior. I would give you the actual name, which I will in the caption, but I will butcher it. And BMW spent way too long perfecting this interior for me to mess up the name. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about the new features that the iDrive 7 system has capability of in the X3M. We're going to talk about the new specs for the X3M. And we're going to talk about the new design language that BMW has came out on this LCI, which means life cycle impulse. So that means something new is going to be coming, but this is a little preview of how good it's going to get. So stay tuned. Let's get into it. The start-stop button has moved next to the gear shifter from previously behind the steering wheel. The next new button is the M mode. When you first press M mode, it puts you in road. All of your safety features are on, and it's the normal setup of your Live Cockpit Pro as well as the head-up display. The second time you press that same button, it puts you into sport mode. This is deactivating your safety interventions and is changing your displays. You can click the BC button to change the right side of the screen. The head-up display is switching to only show your speed, speed limit, and your RPMs. Directly below M mode is setup. Setup is allowing for you to change your engine, chassis, and steering between efficient, sport, and sport plus. M xDrive is also configurable if your dynamic stability control is off. Another great feature is Comfort Access 2.0. This is allowing for the vehicle to unlock whenever you are approaching and lock whenever you are walking away, as long as the key is with you. BMW has also updated the intelligent safety features. Whenever you click into the green intelligent button, you are able to configure your safety features and have optional steering intervention on for lane departure and blind spot detection. You have a standard USB port in front of the cup holders, USB-C in the center console, and 2 in the back seat. In this beautiful X3M, we have the gray M Sport C with contrast red. They do come standard as heated, including driver memory seat. You can add ventilation for the 2 front seats as well. On the left side of the steering wheel, you will see the Driver Assistance Pro package. This has extended traffic jam assistant and active driving assistance professional. You can switch back and forth between assisted driving and distance control. You can also set the gap between you and the car in front of you, small gap, big gap, whatever you feel best with. Another button is the limit button. You'll see that I'm using the toggle to set my limited speed that I don't want the car to exceed. Back seats can be laid down on the 60-40 split. The button is right next to the headrest. Back windows have the rear window shades that are manual. Headlights are full LED. As you can see, they are much slimmer than the previous model. Taillights are absolutely gorgeous. They look like highlighters when they're on. You will see that they are shadow lined, very bold. I love the way they integrated this into the body of the car. We are equipped with a BMW M twin power turbo inline 6-cylinder engine, 473 horsepower, 453 pounds-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.9 all-wheel drive. Absolutely insane. X3M is an absolute beast. If you ever have the opportunity to get behind the steering wheel, I 100% recommend you doing it. If you've never driven a BMW, try it. If you've never driven an M car, you'll be thrilled. Put your seatbelt on and get ready. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Leave a comment below of what video you would like to see next.